Have you ever reached the end of a long day, looked at the bottle and thought, I've been trying all day, so why is my milk supply still so low? If you've ever had that thought, remember this first. It doesn't mean you're not trying hard enough. Some days you follow your pumping schedule, wake up in the middle of the night, drink plenty of water, eat well, and try to rest whenever you can. But your milk supply still isn't what you hoped it would be, and that can be incredibly frustrating. The truth is, milk supply can be affected by many different factors. Your pumping routine, how effectively milk is removed, how long it has been since giving birth, stress, your overall health, and other factors can all play a role. Sometimes the problem isn't that you aren't trying hard enough. It may simply mean that your body needs a different approach. If you notice that your milk supply continues to decrease, or you're worried that your baby isn't getting enough nutrition, don't feel like you have to simply try harder on your own. Consider talking with your doctor, a lactation consultant, or another qualified healthcare professional. The right support can help you understand what may be affecting your supply and find an approach that works better for you and your baby. And there's one thing I want you to remember. The amount of milk in a bottle can never measure what kind of mother you are. You've gotten up while everyone else was sleeping. You've made time for every pumping session. You've kept going even when your body was exhausted. All of that effort matters. If your milk supply is lower than you expected today, don't immediately blame yourself. Tomorrow is a new day. Keep caring for your baby, but remember to take care of yourself too. You haven't failed. You're simply trying to find what works best for you and your baby. If you've ever looked at a bottle and thought, why am I trying so hard but still getting so little, leave in the comments. Your story might help another mom realize that she's not alone.